heated up. Racers, attention to the staging lanes, attention to the staging lane. Racers, remember, right lane has the right of way on the turn. And based on what we're seeing, do not use the first turnout. Do not use the first turnout. Your trucks are too big. Do not make the first, try and make the first turnout. Go to the second. Drivers, please, attention. Use the second turnout. Do not try and use the first turnout. It is too tight of a turn for your rigs. Clear, here we go. A lot of the trucks you're going to see racing today came all the way up from Tijuana just to put on the show for you. Get the tires heated up. Two-stroke rear-mounted diesel here in the right lane. Traditional left lane. Here we go. Pull it up. Three-stage, full stage, left lane, right lane, inching forward. Getting ready to go. All right, full stage. Here we are. Right lane spins tires. Don't forget, there's a burnout contest going on. We want you to watch and see what they do. Goal is get them